Hello and welcome to the GCSE Physics tutorial for topic P8 Space Physics. This is part 1 and we'll look at the solar system. The solar system is made up of the Sun, which is a star, and 8 planets. Moons are natural satellites that orbit the planets. The solar system is part of a Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of billions of stars, and there are millions of galaxies that make up the universe. In our solar system, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto is not part of our solar system. It's a dwarf planet and it's not in the same type of orbit around the Sun. So more about orbits. We talked about moons. Moons are natural satellites, and artificial satellites are those that have been put there by humans. They're not natural. They might be used for things like GPS or weather, and they can be polar orbits or geostationary orbits, as shown in the diagram. When an object moves in orbit, it is constantly changing direction and velocity. There's also a force acting inwards called gravity. But the object doesn't fall inwards because as it's moving, it's constantly accelerating and changing direction at right angles to the movement. So it keeps it moving in a circle. Faster moving objects will move in an orbit with a smaller radius than slower moving objects. If you pause the tutorial now and try and answer these 2 questions. So, if the distance between the Moon and the Earth decreased, what would happen to the speed of the Moon? Well, the speed of the Moon would increase. That's because the force of gravity would be bigger, and so to prevent the Moon falling inwards, the velocity would need to increase. What are the 8 planets in our solar system? So in order from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. In summary, we've looked at the solar system.